Today I will tell you what SMT blocks are, trap blocks, how to find them, identify them, and avoid falling into these traps. Before the video starts, subscribe to my Telegram channel where I publish a lot of useful information, analytics, trade reviews, helpful posts, quizzes, and so on. A lot of free useful information. So subscribe, friends. I'll be waiting for everyone. The link is in the description and in the pinned comment under the video. So the first rule of my trading strategy is not to buy or sell until the incentive, that is, the stimulus, is removed. The SMT block is exactly located at this stimulus, right here. This is also where the stimulus that the price removes is located. So you need to understand that the price always reacts to SMT blocks. It approaches, gives a small reaction, and then breaks through it, removing the stimulus. After which, it can develop downward to this minimum. I think you've often seen a situation where you noticed a structure break, supposedly here, the formation of an imbalance, and an entry from it. So you wanted to see this picture, but something like this happened. The price continued to fall further down, following the trend. Essentially, these SMT blocks won't be particularly useful for opening trades, but they will provide a very good understanding of market logic. How the price entices people into a false direction, making them believe that the price is indeed reacting and might move away from this zone. It removes the incentive, after which most people think a break has occurred and they will continue to buy here. But the price only reacts to some SMT zone, that is, a block that is already right here. It gives a reaction to it, after which it breaks through. If you don't want to enter on the absorption here, you can enter after the test of the SMT block. On this correction, the price will just start its decline. Let's move to the real chart. I'll show how it works here. The time frame is 1 minute. It's basically not important. Again, the market is fractal. This works absolutely on any time frame. So, let's analyze this situation. Very good. The situation happened here with us. We have a structure, maximum, minimum boss. Here is the removal of the stimulus. Here is the formation of a new maximum. But the inducement is right here. That is, this very stimulus. And it is relatively equal to this minimum. So this is all one liquidity. And the SMT block is located right here in this place. We see that the price reacts to it when it arrives, after which it breaks through, removing liquidity from the lower boundary. And the next target, of course, will be this maximum, meaning its update. But what do we see? The price starts to correct upwards and touches the second SMT block. Right here, because traders thought that a break of structure occurred. Yes, here it reacted to the SMT block, then touched the zone of interest here, that is, well, the order block, right? The trap block? It reacted here, touched the true block, and then moved upward. And in this case, our fake zones, that is, traps, are this one and this one. The only correct zone is this one. In essence, the entry here is extremely obvious. After removing this indicator, a very good risk sweep, absorption at this point, testing this order flow, and then subsequently moving upward. But here, we also have a structure formed. There is a maximum, removal of the incentive, boss, new minimum, first zone of interest, after the incentive, and then an upward move. So essentially, you have two zones. The first one is, in this place, The second one is here. Although actually the first one will be here and the second one here. The first one is before the stimulus. The price reacts, then removes it. In essence, this is the wrong block. This is correct. The price touches it and then moves further up. If you want me to go into more detail about SMT blocks, trap blocks, then like, comment, and I will make new videos. Good luck to everyone and goodbye.